And we do have a caller on the line as well, right?
Yes,
908?
I'm here.
All right. Hey, how are you?
I'm doing perfect. How is everybody?
Great. Do you have a question for Mark?
I don't have a question. I do have sort of a suggestion and sort of a heads up. It's a lot going on in our country right now, and it's very important for young people to become aware that there are vultures that have been denouncing Haiti as the poorest country in the world, but yet they have been pillaging from the country. So when we bring collaborations and we bring entrepreneurship into the country, we must make sure that they are there to build and not to take and run as it's been done in the past. That's all I wanted to add.
Do you have something maybe in specific or as far as
Specifically, I can talk
entrepreneurship?
about Bill Clinton and all his alliances. You have Bill Clinton that has been pillaging Haiti from the beginning of his from way before his presidency. Matter of fact, he was married and honeymooned in Haiti, and quote, he calls Haiti the love of my life. But yet, the same guy under his presidency, black Haitian immigrants, put Haiti under the worst embargo, the worst immigration laws ever. And then he turns around and heads the Commission for Recovery. And it's been 10 months since the earthquake. If Haiti was a McDonald's, he would have been fired because there's been no progress. And there goes a collaboration that's going down the drain. But not only is he collaborating with Haitians, he's giving grants to Sean Penn, and he's giving little grants to Paul Farmer. Who's Paul Farmer? Paul Farmer is a stranger. He's a doctor who should be in Haiti treating people who are sick, but he's not. He's in Haiti making a business out of poverty. He's taking over the Haitian voice as if he knows what life in Haiti is like, as if he knows what the black pigs are like, as if his parents had black pigs in their yards. So people like that we have to watch out for, because you have Haitians who have taken to kiss their little butts. And so as we are collaborating, we must collaborate with people who are for Haitian consciousness, who are to build I would say Haitian sustain life, for Haitians to stop begging. I'm tired of reading the Huffington Post and seeing Haitians writing little letters saying, please help us, please help us. When if Haitians wanted to themselves, they could help themselves, you see?